guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be quite a special one, and I'm going to be taking you along on behind the scenes to show you what I'm going to be shooting today. This video that you're watching right now will be posted after the main video, so make sure you check that out if you haven't already. Yeah, so today I'll be filming on the GoPro, doing a little behind the scenes on that and trying to get as much content as possible. So we're just about to head off now. This is the car, what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that alright. Look at that.
It's overheated already.
So we've just filmed the drive-bys and stuff. I'll insert them just. Saying on the drive-bys and stuff that when you was stood up at the top, the car was shaking, and you could literally feel it. Because what did you say? You were stood at the side.
Yeah.
So at the side, waiting for the cars to go past, and as soon as they were driving past, and this was when he wasn't putting his foot down. This was when he were coming to slow, and it was still shaking the car. So yeah, and the 5-cylinder sounds really good, as you'll hear from the video. But look at the views and stuff. So we also had M5 competition with us, with the special lights, you can see. And you'll see on my Instagram, @LukeMmedia, all the pictures and everything that I've taken. So I've been climbing up there and everything, getting all the shots of all the background and what have you. And some of the nice drive-by shots. So yeah, make sure you check out that video and everything. But yeah, look at this. I love these. My favourite cars. BMW Laser.
What?
Yeah. Interior as well.
About 5-10 times.
Yeah, look at these two together. M5 comp.
If I say so myself, it's perfect.
So I haven't really been able to do too much vlogging on the GoPro because I've been quite busy. But look at that view. So these are what you see in the pictures and things. And then we're just going over the last bit, show you around the car, just for the vlog and stuff. Have you enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, all good, man, all good. Thanks for
good.
basically helping out. Yeah, Audi RS3 replica.
It's smart, doesn't it?
The mod definitely adds to it.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, look at all that, the authenticity of everything, especially with the wheels and stuff like that. Yeah, we're nice. What did you say about the option wraps that you were going to do?
So, I mean, it's literally just this, to be fair. I mean, we were basically, it was going to be a Group B inspired one. There's two different types. There's a red and black one. But then the yellow one was always going to be the case because it's 80s. Yeah. If you know about the old Group B cars, you'll get the idea. It looks exactly the same. Yeah. Well, it's still an RS3, but yeah, it does the job. It does the job.
Yeah.